time to actually finish up some of the destruction of that apple. First, safety glasses, just to be sure. Now, this back plate needs to come off. There we go. I'll take these jumpers out of here. One here. Alright. You can't really see that very well, can you? Anyway, needle nose pliers hold this thing in position while I work on it. And I think I actually want to do the back of this board first. It's a good place to clamp. I can get rid of those, it's like logic chips on there fairly quickly. Alright. Actually, let's zoom that out just a bit further. There we go. Now I can see the detail as well, but gives me more room to work. Alright. Hot air rework station. Again, running at 306 degrees Celsius. Nice and frickin' hot. Should take these parts off no problem at all. First part always takes a little bit, so you're heating up the board as well. The board starts to get warm after a while and it's easier to take parts off. Come on, heat up. And that's my bin for ICs as I take them off. Because it's probably going to work better using the X-Acto knife method right now. And this is the Ethernet card that was in that Macintosh LC. And it's my first victim card from the batch. And I threw all the disk controller, floppy controller, and hard drive controller in my disk controller board box, which is actually getting pretty full. And after I do this, I'm going to do the RAM from the Mac and from the DEC Alpha both, because it's fairly quick to do. This is getting better. And then maybe I'll do a motherboard or two. We'll see. Get. It actually doesn't take very long to do, as you can see. These parts are pretty easy, and this is an old board, so it's not that ROHS garbage solder. This stuff actually has lead in it, which makes it a whole lot easier to melt. The new lead-free garbage, well, it might be better for your health, but certainly not easy to work with. Alright, that's all the useful stuff on here, so now time to scrape off all the other parts. Yeah, this big connector here is the one that I'm not taking off right now. Not worth the trouble right now. So I have the box that I put the boards into. I've got two boxes, one with all the connectors off and one with most of the connectors off. So different stages of the work, as it were. One green, another picture. One green and yellow LED module. Just drop that down there. Oh, looks like one of the other ones came out. Crystal. Just put these on here, out of the way. Because it's out of the shot as well. I got a piece of soapstone. I think it is. Oh, there's sandstone. I can never remember which. Anyway. It acts as a good place to put things to cool down. It also can take a fair amount of heat. Alright, the other through hole ones are a couple of capacitors over here. Comes out. What are we stuck on? It's almost out. There we go. Alright, what else? Oh, another little capacitor. This is going to stink a little bit, but I'm going to take the jumper off from the top. Probably melt the plastic a bit, but that's okay. Go. And same with this one. Eventually I'm just going to end up melting all of that plastic off anyways, so I really don't care if it melts right now. Okay. Yes, next I'll take off this nice big chip socket here. Just going to stink a little bit too. Melting plastic always does. I don't have the official tool, it's just my X-Acto knife, it works very well anyway. There we go. And again, let's take this socket off. much, but has some. For the buffers for the Ethernet. There's one. Second one. And now we got some Gal chips. Gatorade Logic. Haven't seen those in a while. Yeah, this board is made in 1993 according to the copyright on the top of it. You can't see from there. So, yeah, 19-year-old board. Alright, now for the big one. This one, you basically have to go all around the outside and then pry up on a corner. It pulls it off the board. There we go. Big ugly thing. Okay, there's probably a few capacitors or something on here to scrape off, and that's it for this board. One. Oh, so most of them are on the back. And ones in the front might come off easier. Imagine that.